First of all, it needs to be glued. Apply adhesive aid in place. Tear off the double-sided tape of the spotlight 4-5 cm. Put the wire in the card slot. Install spotlights. Adjust position. After adjusting the position, remove the remaining double-sided tape. Then press the spotlight hard. If it is not pasted properly, there will be gaps. You can heat it up with a hairdryer and press it tightly. Put the spotlight power cord stuffed into the glass gap. When plugging, plug the red wire first. Then insert the black one. It will be more beautiful. Tucked at the end from the hood. Walking back to the battery compartment in the gap. Open the battery compartment cover. The lines here should be well distinguished. Red is positive, black is negative. The negative electrode is connected to these two. Any screw can be used. The positive electrode is connected to this screw. Lock the nut after connecting. Avoid poor contact or short circuit. Finally, tie the extra thread with a cable tie. Cover the battery compartment back. Installation complete.